Hello and welcome back to my channel. Sorry it's been a while again since my last video, but I've just been super busy recently, but I've still been picking up sneakers, still been copying, so more videos will be coming soon. Today's video is, well, it's actually our first ever pair of Yeezy 700s. These ones actually sat for a couple of days, the 700 Mauves. I'll get them out of the box for you. To me, they're such a dope colourway, and it's such a dope sneaker that I don't know why it's sat, but it just means everyone who wanted it got to cop it, so that's always a good thing. So there it is, the Yeezy 700 Mauve. Honestly, on pictures it doesn't look that purple, but when you get it up in person you realise actually how purple these side sway panels are. It's just a really dope sneaker. £250 is maybe on the slightly steeper side. Maybe it would have sold out if it would have been £50–100 cheaper. It's got obviously the boost on the base. It is super comfortable. You can see the boost there creeping out of the gum sole. The gum sole, favourite touch. I love gum soles. They're just the best part about this sneaker in my opinion. So you've got suede along the toes here, mesh in between the suede, and you've got leather for the eyelets down the front here. You can catch a glimpse of it there, but you've got the 3M hip for the 3 stripes, which is a nice subtle feature, I think. I see a picture of someone who got laces the same colour as these greeny yellowy pods there, and it just made the whole sneaker pop. So I think that's what I'm going to do, grab a set of green yellow laces and pop them in, see how they look. Fit, so I went for a UK 8.5, which is my preferred size, and they fit perfectly. Maybe could have done with the 9, but I don't know, they fit really nicely. They're so comfortable that I probably wouldn't change them. They got some nice comfort in the back of the heel here, which is really nice, and yeah, they fit really nicely. They're quite light for how bulky the sneaker looks, but yeah, there's not really, apart from the price tag, there's not too much you can say bad about this sneaker, really. The insole is nothing. It's just a standard foam insole, but you've got the boost. You've got the boost in there, so you don't really need the comfort from the insole. Width wise, I'd say I've got quite a wide foot, so they fit me perfectly. So maybe if you've really narrow feet you'll struggle, but I think most foot types would fit these fine. Yeah, I'm just going to be rocking these so hard. I just love them. I think they're my favourite sneaker now. I picked up some Nikes the other day, which I'll do a video on soon, which are more of a day-to-day wear, whereas these are going to be for occasions, I think. But hopefully I'll manage to cop the 350 Zebras on the 9th of November, because that will be a sick cop if I manage to get that. And hopefully cop the next Dragon Ball Z's, the pink ones. I really like them. The Commanders, I think they're called. But they're sick. Here's some on feet. That was my quick unboxing, quick review of the Yeezy 700 Mauve. Yeah, like I said, more to come. A lot more cops. I've picked up some, give you a little sneak peek, Air Force Ones, which I'll do an unboxing of. But yeah, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll be back next time. See ya.